What tastes better, organic eggs or store-bought eggs? I have onions, some peppers, the same ingredients, and we will see which one tastes better, organic or man-made stuff. Okay, Charmaine, taste that set of eggs.
Okay.
Taste pretty good? Okay, taste the other set of eggs. Which side to you tastes better?
This one?
Ah! That's not organic eggs. Well, you see, her first choice was the man-made stuff. So I guess, what's the taste?
It's not man-made.
What's the difference? Like, what's the taste? Taste-wise?
That one just fluffier.
Okay, fluffier. Okay.
The way you cook it.
Yeah, they are fluffier. You know, I guess they add stuff to it.
And then that's what you call them in there.
I got a lot of peppers and okay. So it could be the ingredients that did.
Yeah,
okay.
over ingredients in this one.
Well, let me taste. Hold on. Let me see. Yeah, too much peppers and stuff was over here. That just enough to get a crunch. I'm crunching too much over here, but I like the texture of these better than that way. Just too much stuff over here. So okay, here's the taste test. We tried organic one, man-made stuff one.